Backyard barbecues are our favorite kind of get-together. Everyone gets to enjoy the outdoors while eating some freshly grilled food. What more could you even ask for? But if you're new to gas grills, things can go terribly wrong if you don't know how to clean and use your grill. We'll show you what you need to know and do. So let's get cracking. Here's our gas grill. When you open up the grill cover, you'll see the grill grates and the warming rack. When you lift up the cooking grates, underneath them, you'll find the heat plates. These protect the burners that are underneath from grease, and they minimize flare-ups. The grill also has control knobs that adjust the amount of gas going to the burners. They basically control the height of the flame and cooking temperature. This here is the igniter. It's what makes the grill turn on. When you close your grill cover, you'll see the temperature gauge. This will let you know what the temperature is inside the grill. Some gas grills have a side burner where you can make sides while you're making your main meal, but ours here doesn't have one. When you open these doors, you'll see where you need to attach the propane tank. Make sure the line is twisted on all the way and is tight. Lastly, you have your grease tray. This is where all the excess grease drips down. So now that you know the parts of the grill, let's clean it up so we can grill some food. Take a grill brush and scraper to get rid of the built-up grease on the grill grates. Usually, I brush everything first and then use the scraper part along the grates. To clean the grease off further, take the grill grates off and bring them to your sink. Take some steel wool and rub off any excess grease. If you usually keep your grill clean, or you clean it right after using it, you don't really need to do a deep clean before you start grilling. But if it's a complete mess of grease, I definitely recommend you deep clean it first. For this, fill up a tub of hot water and put in some dish soap. I tend to use Dawn because it's great with getting off grease. You're going to soak the grill grates, warming rack, heat plates, after you've scraped the grease off of them, and grease tray. But only after you've scraped off the remaining grease inside the grill and emptied it. Once everything is soaked, scrub them down with steel wool. Then, rinse them off in another tub of water. Now that our grill is all clean, let's fire it up. But if you're looking for more safety tips on gas grills, there's a video in the description below that features a fire prevention officer that gives plenty. I definitely recommend you watch it before starting your grill. So let's get to firing up this grill. Go to the propane tank and turn the gas valve on. On top of the knob, you'll see which direction you need to turn it to open and close it. Once you've turned it all the way, go to the control knobs. Turn those to the lighting position. For ours, we have this giant flame to indicate that, and it also is the highest flame position. You should start to hear the gas coming up. Once all of your knobs are set, stand back and press the igniter. The flame should flare up and your grill should be on. If you did a deep clean, close the grill cover and let the inside parts that we washed dry up. This usually takes a few minutes. Once it's dry, we'll need to oil the grill grates to prevent your food from sticking, and it also keeps the grill grates from rusting. Soak a paper towel in canola oil and use tongs to evenly spread it across the grill grates. Man, all this talk about food is getting me hungry right now. Which reminds me that I have to make burgers for everyone. If this video helped, give us a like, and if you're looking for cooking and grilling specific food, or just something from our how-to hub, be sure to subscribe. Well, I gotta get going on this food. Some people get extremely hangry, though I am one to talk. Okay, got the bread. Burgers. Gotta get burgers.